This is amazing. Look at this. What's up, guys? We're back, and in today's video we're gonna test this hybrid solutions pure bead from turtle wax. This one helps the water to slide from the car, so we're gonna test it today, the beading, and let's see how good it is. Coming up right now. Alright, and before you apply this product to your vehicle, remember to wash your car and make it clean real good, let it dry, and after it's dry you can apply the product, but make sure you put your car in the shade before you apply this product. And this is what we're going to use: one microfiber to apply it, to extend it, and the other one to wipe it off, and the pure bead from turtle wax. So we're gonna test it today. Let's start in the half of the hood. Let's put water and let's see how it works. And for those that are going to be asking, why should you buy this product? This product is to apply on your car paint, to protect the paint and to make the water slide, even the dust. And with that, the car is gonna maintain clean longer time, and it will help the paint too. Okay, so let's test it out and let's see how good it is. Okay, let's start with the application. First, spray on the hood, and then spray out with the microfiber, and then with the other microfiber, wipe it off from the paint to make it look clean. Okay, I already applied it on the half of the hood. As you can see, there is no color change, no difference. It looks like nothing happened. Nothing, it looks the same. So now let's put the water and let's see the beading. This is amazing. Look at this. The difference is big. The beading is amazing. You can see it over there. And in here, I didn't put anything in here, nothing. Look at the difference. Super big, the difference. Look at this. Look at this one. Whoa, man. Ooh. And it's super easy to apply. But look at the difference, it's awesome. Amazing. I'm amazed of this. You can see here the difference, and the other side, the beading. Amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna put it only in one door. I'm gonna leave the other one and we're gonna see the difference. I'm gonna put it in the glass too. You can see it does give a little bit of shine, but it's not crazy shine. Okay, as you can see, it's almost the same thing, but I can see it a little bit more shiny, but it's not something crazy, but it works great. And another cool thing, as you can see here, the area that it has the wax is drying faster. So this thing, it will help you paint to dry faster, so that is great. After testing Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pure Bead, I was honestly impressed. Applying it was quick and easy, and the results speak for themselves. On the sections where I applied it, the hood and the door, you can clearly see the difference during the water test. The treated side beats up the water much better and lets it roll off faster, while the untreated side holds on into the water. If you're looking for an easy way to add hydrophobic protection and keep your car clean between washes, I think this is definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. If you want to check out the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Pure Bead, you'll find the link down below in the description. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.